Welcome back to the Southern Sniper channel, and well, today we got the basic assembly and disassembly of a Glock. We have a Gen 4 Glock 19 right here and a Glock 22, and we're going to disassemble and reassemble both of those. We have the magazines out of both of them, and chamber is empty on both of them. So we'll start off with our Glock 22. So the first thing you want to do whenever you're disassembling your Glock is you want to rack the slide back, put it on the slide catch. You have two tabs on the slide, a little bit above your trigger. You're going to want to pull both those tabs down on both sides of your Glock. And after you do that, you are going to release the slide catch and let the slide come forward and pull the trigger. And you'll see it slid forward. All you have to do is complete it, take it off. We got our spring right here. There's our spring. And there is our barrel. This is just basic disassembly of your Glock, taking it apart if you need to clean it or something. We're gonna do the same thing with our Gen 4 Glock 19. So we're gonna wanna do the same thing. We already got the slide back on the slide catch. We're gonna pull both these two tabs down, release it, and pull the trigger. And it is the exact same thing as our Glock 22. There's our spring, barrel. Now, let's work on reassembly here. First thing we're gonna do is throw our barrel back in. And then our spring. And we're also going to show a close-up of this well so you can get a better idea for this. Then comes back on the same way it came off. Rack it back and pull the trigger. And that's how you know you reassembled it correctly. Now, with our Gen 4 Glock 19, it is going to be the exact same thing. We're going to throw that barrel back in. Next, our spring. And then slide it back on. Pull the trigger. And they are both reassembled correctly on that. Okay, for putting it back together, barrel goes in first, flat side down with our notches up. Then we're going to put in our spring, round side, and then the spring will go on the second notch. There are two notches there. It will go on the second of those notches. And with the spring in place, all we have to do is slide it back on, rack it back, pull the trigger, and that is how you know you assembled it correctly. And that is the disassembly and reassembly of a Glock. Okay guys, thank you for watching today's video. We have other videos out there for showing y'all how to do easy, basic, and simple stuff. Yeah, we all start somewhere. Someone's got to teach us, and I know my cameraman's ready for this to end because he's got asthma and I told him he couldn't breathe. So he's holding his breath right now. That way he's not breathing into our speaker.